In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to use the horizontal leg press machine in your gym. And we're specifically looking here in this video at the Technogym horizontal leg press. Now, disclaimer, there are two types of leg press, one of which where the seat goes back and forth as you press into this, and the other one is where this goes back and forth and the seat stays in the same position. So make sure you know which one you're using. There are two different types. Otherwise, the actual cues for the exercise are pretty much exactly the same. Now, for beginners, we want to make this as simple as possible. So I could go on about different foot placements and different muscle activations. However, in terms of just getting someone used to the leg press, we always start off with a universal style of foot placement. So what I'm looking to do is I'm looking to get the seat in a position where it's far enough forward or backwards, dependent on who's been using it last, that when we come up nice and high with the feet hip width apart, we've got the ankle in line with the knee. So bring the heel up until you've got the ankle in line with the knee. I then want the whole of my back, including my lower back and glutes, to be in contact with the seat. Hands on the side handles, you'll select the weight and then you're going to push up from that position. And what I want you to notice here is I've not gone to a full knee extension, so I've not fully locked out the knee. I'm going to around 90%. I don't want to hyperextend the knee when I'm doing this exercise. I'm then going to come slowly down and back up. Slowly down and back up. As you get more confident, you may want to bring the seat a little bit further in. Just make sure that you don't bring it so far in that, again, you're losing either the lower back or the glutes being in contact with the seat. Again, breathing in on the way up and out on the way down. In on the way up, out on the way down. One more tip that we're looking at is when you're pushing through the heel and the seat is coming up, take a little look at what your knees are doing. Are they coming in? Are they coming too far out? Is the whole of your foot in contact with the base? Or alternatively, are you in a nice alignment that when you come down and back up, your knees are tracking in line with your ankles? If it's that last one, perfect. If you find that the knees are coming too far out, try to bring them in. And if you find that the knees are collapsing in, try to bring them out. And again, that is going to be activated from your hips. So once you're doing the exercise and once you're comfortable, if you have any type of trouble getting off the machine, you've got this handle here where you can then bring yourself up out of the machine should you need to. That's how to use the horizontal leg press, specifically the Technogym one, and you would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.